I am in the mood for making muffins tonight, and I'm going to use the Pamelas Baking and Pancake mix. So to make the muffins, first I need to take 1 1/4 cup of Pamela's Baking and Pancake mix and pour it in using my adjustable measuring cup. Then it calls for 1 egg. Next it calls for 1/4 cup of water. And then it calls for vanilla, and I'm going to use my adjustable measuring spoon. This is for the teaspoon, one of my favorites. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 teaspoon of vanilla in. And then I'm going to also put in 1/3 cup of honey. This is also the adjustable measuring cup, and it's made for the gooey things like honey. So I'm going to put it in there, scrape it off, and then it does call for 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, and that's optional. And it also calls for 1/2 cup of fruit, and that's optional. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to mix all of this up, and I'm using the scraper. And I'm supposed to mix all of the ingredients together. And this is going to be a little bit runnier than a regular mix. And then after I do that, I've actually already washed the blueberries that I'm going to put in. And this is the measuring colander, really easy to use. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. And then I'm just going to fold it in. And then with this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just wait for maybe 5 or 10 minutes and let this thicken a little bit. And then I'm going to put it in the Pampered Chef brownie pan. I already scooped most of the batter into, this is actually my brownie pan, and I discovered that I was like 3 brownies short, so I made a double batch. So while I was off camera, I went ahead and I mixed it up again. And, I'm using the small ice cream scoop, and I discovered that I need 2 scoops with the ice cream scoop because it asks to have it 2/3 full. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven. For 18 or 20 minutes. I just took the muffins out of the oven and I put them upside down on our cooling rack. After they're cooled, I'll take them out and then I will start the next batch.